inspiring story that might just make you everyday choices in a new light. Have you ever found yourself standing in a store and unsure of what to choose? It's a situation with all face, isn't it? But here's the real question. How do you decide what truly matters? Well, today, we are about to uncover the answer through a short story. Let us take you on this journey with a story titled, What Should We Buy?
Ang hipalot, yugatan ng pera.
Mom and Amanda dragged Epi to Pera store after school.
Iniganyan iman ang Amanda, i-Epi, pauman kang siyenda, itatagawa katunabalik yung klaseda.
Epi, I really want that doll, Amanda said, pointing to the doll with the shiny dress.
Epi, June, kapag ka talaga na asasanak kanay. Ni Amanda, na agad tundo ka na asasanak, ganyan nakakasta na si Luna.
Long hair
Kapapindot yung abog na.
and black eyes.
Ang ganyan nananawag na matana.
I asked Mom if she'll buy it for me.
Kaya tingin mabing ka ni Mama na kayat na nagatangan para kanyakan.
Walk faster, Mom and Amanda. Darling song might start. Epi told his older sister as they left the store. We don't have enough room. We'll get soaked. Epi pulled Mom and Amanda along and rushed home.
Di ka mga manalang kumalang Amanda, tabakagawak na mura. Nagkahilit, kaya naman. Awang tema yung palunta. Pinitang i-Epi, yung manak na, nagagdaray sa iba.
When they arrived home, the rain started to pour down. Mom and Amanda went straight to her mom. Nana, do you remember telling me that you're buying a new doll? I saw a beautiful one at Bella store, and I've never had a real doll before. Amanda said,
Palabot na kang balay na, kanay paluran kang nasikan. Nagdiretso ay Amanda kanilaan na. Nanang, ipalikahit ka tunay na igataran na kang baho na asasanat. Nanasikat na nakakaspal na asasanat, kansyenda itatagpewa. Ang terekat tunay, maripabayahan ginatangan kang kurog na asasanat. Nagkahindi Amanda.
Nanay, please buy me a new pair of rain boots. Every time it rains, I get soaked walking home. It is a good thing we didn't find the rain today, or we would have caught colds. Epi said,
Nanang, yakot pa! Di para mapilakan kang isa pawit na botas. Tanunguran, nabasbasa kami na malubdat kami. Kaya man kami nabasasangaw na aygaw. Kaya nabasa kami, eh nagkatakit kami pera. Nagkahindi.
Sure, I'll give you money to buy these things, Kanga. Mother said. She opened her wallet and gave money to the children. You can buy them at Pera store. Whenever you buy something new, make sure you take care of it so that it will last.
Oo, at kailan pakalisok ang kwarto ko anak ko ira. Nagkahindi na. Ginukasa na napitaka na. Nagdanan na kang kwarto yung anak na ira. Ikayo belaso yung magdatang kang siyenda ipewani. Gumagatang niyo baho magamit lumiran. Kapyanan mo paseno. Nari madaral kang sigida. Nagkahindi na.
After class, Amanda and Epi went to Pella store. Amanda went straight to the doll. Epi went to the umbrella and boots.
Katulabalin yung klase yung Amanda ang pre-Epi, nimangga kang siyenda ni Uncle Bewa. I-Amanda, nagdiretso ka nagkakayak na isasanap. I-Epi pa'y, lumang na nagdiretso ka nagbukas ang trenepayo.
This is what we will buy, Tatay Pewa. Mom and Amanda said, putting the doll and mommy on the counter. This is what I want, Tatay rain boots and money on the counter. They won't settle the purchase. You don't have enough money for all of these things, Kintai. If you don't buy enough, you'll have enough. Pero suggested, Amanda felt sad and was about to cry.
Yaw yung kwarto tatang tewa. Nagkahiti Amanda. Sabay nagkuha na asasanat ka ni agig yung kahira. Yaw pa yung kwarto tatang tewa. Nagkahipa ni Epi. Sabay nagkuha na ni Botas Andre ni Payo ka ni agig pa yung kahira. Binilang ni tewa yung kwarto na gawa ng anak. Kurang yung kwarto nga pagpagang ka asasanat unday. Yung mahino gatakan yung asasanat, magatang nung ni karuan na gamit. Nagkahipa ba? Kapag-kasi ang naging katangitan. Amanda.
Manang Amanda, you can have my money. Epi said, he knew his sister had only ever played with paper dolls before. We'll just run home so we don't come into rain, Epi said while looking at the dark and heavy clouds. Are you sure, Epi? Thank you so much, Manga, cheered Amanda. Now she could buy her dream doll. But Amanda looked out the window at the sky where Epi was looking. She thought for a moment and then said to Epi, just wait for me outside. I'll be right there.
Manang Amanda, wala yung kwarto ko. Agad ka tunay, mari ka peba na kagayang kang kurog na asasana. Yung mang mula gayaman papel ka asasana. Magkarela tira lamang yun, kasi lumali ka na mabasalo ng ay. Nagkahidi Epi. Kini Epi, magbalak na ang ko. Nagkahidi Amanda. Sanaw, magatang na yung kakayak na nga asasanak niya. Iniuna ni Amanda at Epi. Nagpalunod at gina. Epi, parola mo yakan ka nilawan niya. Nagkahidi Amanda.
Manang Amanda, I thought we were going to buy the doll. Epi asked when Amanda came out with an umbrella in her hand. You wanted to get an umbrella to keep us both dry in the rain, Epi? That was very thoughtful of you. Manang Amanda exclaimed as she opened the umbrella. You're right. We might get sick if we walk in the rain. The doll would be fine though, she choked. It wouldn't get a headache or a cough. It would just blink its eyes, open and close. The siblings laughed.
Manang Amanda, bakit ko ba nagataran mo niya asasanak niya? Inabutan ni Epi, imanak niya na Amanda, tayo niyan agatamit na kapayo. Mas importante yung payo. Kasi nung manita na nabasa, kakanayon lang ang moral niya. Nagkaroon ni Amanda, kaya wahina. Baka makaekad Andre, magkakita na rin nung mabasa kaya, kakuran. Ni asasanak, mabukat Andre, masira lang matataya. Nagdalak na duwa na anak.
They went home with their arms around each other's shoulders. The rain poured down, but their umbrella kept them dry. They enjoyed watching the water flow over the edge of their umbrella.
Nagkofunda na duha ang labet balanda. Nasusok uran, pero marida nga nabasa. Huwag ang nagdakay na payo na nagatanda. Malayat na kang parsak yung dalong na matulog kaya pangunda.
Nana, we're here! Amanda called out as they got home. She closed the umbrella and hung it to dry. She was really happy she bought the umbrella. They sat down to eat boiled bananas for a snack.
Nanang, yan kami! Nagkahilo duwa ng anak. Kinapili Amanda na payo. Malayang na ginatanyan na bango payo lang. Narutog ka, entre na merienda ira kang lupang na baha.
Nanay, Manang Amanda didn't buy the doll because we didn't have enough money. So she bought the umbrella instead. Epi explained.
Nanang, mariginatang imanang Amanda na asasana. Takurang niya kwarto niya. Ginatang na payo para kami duwa. Kasi narinig na masal moral.
Really, Abby? I'm glad we both saw each other and decided what to buy. Nanay said.
Firmi, Epi, naplan ko na. Nabalak ko na po, tamarikan yung nabasa ng oras. Mas napyapay, tapinanorotan mo ka napya, nuhan na yung gatahan nyo. Nagkahiin.
What should we buy?
Ang di panot, gagatahan pera.
By Marian Necklace.
Thank you so much.